Hi girls, this is a quick update. I did get my Sonoline Doppler. Um, I've definitely calmed down from earlier, but I am not able to find the heartbeat. And I've been trying since 2 o'clock yesterday, and there has been a few times when I have seen a beat go up to 150, but it doesn't stay there, and I'm pretty convinced that that is my heartbeat being echoed because I know from what I've read, um, these Dopplers always read higher than what you are. Um, so, I mean, a normal like adult heartbeat is like what, like between 70 and 90, I think. I don't know if I'm right or not, but I think it's around that. And mine goes up to like 115, and then it'll go back down to the 70, and then there's been a few times, but I'm having a really hard time finding it. Um, this obviously is extremely discouraging. I have cried a few times today because I feel like I'm not the typical pregnant girl where I have like crazy symptoms all throughout my first trimester. I only had them for 2 weeks in terms of being really sick, not throwing up, just feeling like crap and having extreme nausea and stuff. But the only thing that I have now that's like, I'm pregnant is that I'm obviously not spotting or I don't have my period. And I know that some girls it takes them until they're 14 weeks to find it on a Doppler. So I do have my appointment with my midwife on next Wednesday. So I know of course she's going to try to check for the heartbeat, and if she uses her Doppler, which is like the probably like 2 grand ones that are like super crazy good. If she finds it on that, then I'll be totally fine. And it might just be, because I have an extra layer of fat around my stomach. I tried in the morning. I tried in different spots. I tried pushing hard. I tried not pushing hard. My friend works at an OB clinic and she tried and just can't find it. So obviously I think anybody that gets these things says like, I'm not going to be crazy and I'm not going to get upset if I can't find it, but that's a crock of shit because of course you're going to get upset if you can't find it. And of course you're going to research Google and Yahoo Answers and all those crazy things, Baby Center and all that crap to try to find if anybody else has the same thing. And I've totally seen other people write that they can't find it either. But then I watch some of you guys that I follow, that you might not be following me, but I follow you, and which I guess you wouldn't be watching this if you didn't follow me. Anyways, and some of you get it at like 8 weeks. Like, what the fuck? Pardon my French, but like, come on, little one, what are you doing in there? Like, I want to hear your heartbeat. So when I had my appointment at 7 weeks, 6 days, it was 171, and it was strong as hell. Like, it was such an amazing thing to hear and see, and baby looked great. So I'm really, really looking forward to this appointment with my doctor. It can't come fast enough. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. So I obviously have not found it, and today I've probably tried 6 times, and I usually spend about 20 minutes trying to find it, and I just can't find it. So discouraged, but I'm going to try to not use it this weekend. My husband's going to take it to work on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so that I can't use it, and that my doctor's appointment is right early in the morning on Wednesday, so I'll be able to see her. And of course, I'll tell her that I bought one, and she'll probably tell me that I was crazy for using it, but um, who knows? Here's hoping that everything's fine. So hope you guys have a great Easter, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.